Hi. Um, First, let me thank you for using criteria. I'm very happy about that. Thank you. And let's do some analysis here. Okay, we have an input field, which is a boolean. It's the contest. Oh no, I'm on the wrong one. It's the contested here, and you have an input field for the she, and the important thing is the select enemies are only made if this is true. So keep in mind that since there are no enemies selected when there are no contests, you cannot use anything that uses enemies because it will return a empty enemy, and that's what why the bug is happening. It's a bug. I will correct this, but uh, the problem is here in the show results. When you use an enemy result for that, what will happen is that this enemy it's empty if it, it's not contested. So you should wrap this in an if statement here and using that contested variable here. Because enemies only exist for contested. Okay, and that's why the bug is happening. In the next version, it will not crash, but this will show wrong things because there's no enemy, there's no enemy selected, so it makes no sense to show something to the enemy that's when there's no enemy. Okay, and this kind of result, because it's an enemy result, is not shown to to it's not exactly shown to players, but imagine that if the player is the actor and the enemy is the NPC, the player will not see the NPC result. But if it's the opposite, if it's the player is the player is the NPC and the sorry is the if the actor is the NPC and the enemy is the player will again only see what they control. They will not see this show results node because the show results will be related to the NPC in when the NPC is the actor. So you can keep in mind that everything is seen only by which the one controls it. GMs will see everything, of course. Okay, and you did a great job here because there's a problem here. There's a problem. You see, you are creating the variable in the then part of the if, but you are setting that variable in the else. So here the variable is not created. So it will give an error here also. And this create var should be moved here. Okay? Because you need that var created to use that var here and here. Okay, that's important also. But other than that, I think it's you are good to go. Okay, I think everything is great. Of course, you need this if again here because this is an enemy result, and enemy results are only shown if the contested input field. Okay, well, that's it. Congratulations, and let me say this, Fezzik, she beats you she beats you because she's learning criteria faster than you. Good job, good job. Thank you.